Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can change your Facebook business page name within your Facebook business account. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to log into our Facebook, and now we're going to navigate over to our Facebook business page that we're looking to edit. So on the left-hand side, you may see it in your shortcuts over here. See both of your business pages right there, or you can click on these 9 squares up in the top right corner, the menu, and then we're going to select pages from that list. Next, we're going to select the page that we want to make any edits to. I'm going to select this one right here. And now we are currently viewing this. We're just viewing the page. We are not in the actual page itself, so we can't edit anything right now. We're just viewing it how anyone else would see it when they come to visit our page. So we're going to go ahead and click switch now right here. We can also switch over here on the left-hand side. I'm just going to go with this one. Now, once we are switched, we are going to go into our settings on the left-hand side. We're going to go all the way down to page setup under audience and visibility. And then we're going to see name right here. And this gives us both the option to edit our page name and our page username, which is how people would find us. So if they were to go to facebook.com/ and then enter that username, that's how they would find us. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to edit that name right here. Keep in mind that you can only edit this name once every 60 days. So make sure you know that you are editing the one you would like to edit it to. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll just say 1, 2, 3 on there. And then you would just say review change right here. And I'll give you a disclaimer. It may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change it for 60 days. So some things to keep in mind there. You'll have to re-enter your password right here. I don't actually want to request this change right at the moment for our page, so I'm just going to click cancel, but you would just click request change right there. And I'm just going to click cancel on that as well. And then same thing for our username. We'll just click edit right here. And then we can go through and we can change this right here however we would like. It'll tell us if it is available or not, and then we can save changes here. So we would just click save changes. It'll ask us to re-enter our password as well, just for security. So if you do have any questions, run into any snags with this, please let us know. We are always here to help, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.